LifeWall. This construction trend is so cool, it's literally like having your own garden on a wall. This living wall is where vibrant plants thrive in fabric cells attached to solid panels. Not only does this ingenious concept freshen up the air naturally, but it also originated in India as an innovative solution to combat pollution. The LifeWall is perfect for both public areas and private spaces. But here's the catch. It can be quite pricey and complex to set up. So if you're one of those lucky folks with deep pockets or a business that values clean city air, get ready for 60 days of transforming your space into an enchanted green paradise. Eco-facade. Say goodbye to the monotonous and exhausting task of home insulating. Eco-facade is the ultimate solution. Forget those bulky, heavy tiles. With Eco-facade's lightweight styrofoam-like panels, getting the job done is a breeze. No need for complicated tools or equipment. Just a little dab of styrofoam glue and voila! Not only is Eco-facade super easy to use, but it's also ridiculously affordable. You can cover 1 square meter with those 1.9-inch or 50mm thick panels at a fraction of the cost compared to traditional tiles. That means you can fully insulate large areas without breaking the bank. With Eco-facade, you can even unleash your inner handy person and do it yourself, as they are easy to install. Ready to set glass block. These glass blocks live up to their promise by offering a fabulous array of blocks that can be personalized according to your preferences. And they can be installed in 5 simple steps. Say goodbye to the hassle of complicated installations. First, bid farewell to the old window. Strip off the seams like it's shedding layers of an outdated fashion trend. Then grab those trusty shims and level those glass blocks like a pro. Oh, and don't forget the mortar. A little dab here and there around the window's frame is all it takes. And you can even customize your frame. Choose from various stylish glass patterns, and even throw in some air vents for good measure. It's like designing your own fashion-forward statement piece for your home. Advanced Drainage System Stormtech MC4500. This super cool drainage system, created by genius architects and ecologists, is not only cheaper than regular concrete or metal systems, but it's also as tough as nails. You can also layer up to 3 different pipelines on top of each other. The drainage systems have these fancy sedimentary collectives that make it a breeze to collect trash and filter out all the nasty dirt and pollutants. So if you're into water recycling, which you totally should be, this makes managing the process cleaner and easier. It's not just for big city projects either. If you're building your own cozy home sweet home, Stormtech has got you covered. Plus, the whole shebang costs around 30% less than your average draining method. Inserta Tee. Get ready to level up your Stormtech drainage system with the ultimate accessory. Introducing Inserta Tee, the PVC-based wonder that brings cost-effective brilliance to any 9.8 inches or 250mm thick or thicker drainage setup. With this game-changing add-on, you can effortlessly install separate drainage and collecting systems like a pro. Here's how it works. Picture yourself as a plumbing pro, cutting a hole in your main piping. Now grab that adjustable rubber sleeve and insert it into the hole like magic. Then slide in the Inserta Tee PVC pipe and secure everything in place with those sleek stainless steel stoppers or bands. Tighten them up real good. And there you have it. You're all set for drain-tastic solutions. With the Inserta Tee, branching out multiple systems from 1 or more mains has never been so easy. Dry stack. Just like Lego, the concept of dry stacking bricks has been around for a while, with various versions popping up over time. Dry stacking involves placing and layering bricks without the need for mortar to hold them together. But this awesome version called Dry Stack is like the rock star of dry stacking ideas. Developed by 2 German companies, these dry stacks are made from recycled materials and have these neat little holes in them. These holes allow you to connect a cuttable plastic bricklaying insert system. It makes building super easy, and you can assemble and disassemble with ease. You don't even need any cement-based products for your foundation. And despite that, they work just as magnificently as regular bricks held together with mortar. Tegola in cotto. Fotovoltaica. Tegola isn't your ordinary roof tiling company. They have revolutionized the game by creating tiles with hidden solar panels, making your home a hub for environmentally friendly energy while keeping it trendy. Tegola is not the only player in town offering photovoltaic tiling. There are plenty of other companies sprucing up their solar panels with different fancy styles and designs. But here's where Tegola shines. They've got ventilation ducts right alongside those power-packed panels, keeping you cool as a cucumber during those sweltering summer days. So how much much power can you expect from them? Well, if your roof spans about 1,937 square feet or 180 square meters, you'll get approximately 10 kilowatts of electricity per day if you're living it up in Europe's mild climate. But the folks in sunny climates can soak up around 20 kilowatts daily. Spin Screed. This is the ultimate superhero of smooth concrete. It's a magical rotating rebar rod that dances its way into the heart of a freshly poured foundation. With its enchanting powers, it effortlessly flattens out massive amounts of concrete with minimal effort. As if by magic, it spins and glides along the surface, transforming rough terrain into a perfectly leveled beauty. And here's the best part. It takes just a fraction of the manpower to achieve this incredible feat. So bid farewell to back-breaking labor and say hello to flat screeding, made easy with this trusty Spin Screed companion. Styropor. Designed in Turkey, the Styropor is an expanded polystyrene, or EPS, that teams up with special bricks to become a super insulator for your home's walls. With its multiple sizes and forms, Styropor not only reduces heat, but also provides top-notch soundproofing. And this is worthy to note, given most exterior walls account for 20 to 25% of heat loss. It's also cheaper than fancy insulated tiles or panels. Plus, it's so lightweight and easy to work with that shaping it is a breeze. Styropor is also fully recyclable. It can be broken down into different forms of itself whenever needed. Effisus Stopper. Say goodbye to those pesky leaks with the incredible Effisus Stopper. This nifty kit is your ultimate tool for fixing pipes and gutters in no time. With its flexible stopper, you can easily mold it into any shape. Stick it around the problem area, and your problem is solved. Just pour the special solution into the mold and watch that leak disappear. The Effisus is perfect for all you rookie builders out there, or anyone who wants to waterproof without causing a ruckus. It's just one of many awesome products designed to make waterproofing a breeze. So why stress over water damage when you can seal it up effortlessly? And what is even better is if you plan to do it yourself, the manual highlights how easy it is with a one-page manual in 4 steps. Once completed, it can handle temperatures from negative 40 degrees, 199 degrees Fahrenheit, or 93 degrees Celsius. TranzSporter Lift Hoist. Imagine a crane that helps workers lift heavy stuff with ease. The Lift Hoist by TranzSporter is like a tiny version of those massive cranes you see on construction sites. It's perfect for attaching to ladders and transporting up to 396 pounds or 180 kilograms of goodies. And both the big and small versions come equipped with an electric motor or Honda gasoline engine. With its nifty pulley system, this awesome contraption can effortlessly transport valuable cargo to high places, like rooftops. You can choose from 2 models, one with a capacity of 250 pounds or 113 kilograms, and the other 400 pounds or 181 kilograms. You can also add lifting parts to add an additional 4 feet or 7.8 feet or 1.2 meters and 2.4 meters. With wheels for easy maneuverability, the Lift Hoist is easily powered by a standard 110-volt household outlet. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, click on the playlist on the right of the screen for more content like this.